a tripod in my car, we can set it up.
Okay.
You want me to go grab it?
Nah.
We can set it up, baby. Wow, push up. Pick it up.
Oh my god. Just don't tip before
Get on your elbows.
Shut up, Joe. Get up.
Not for cough. Cough. Alex. What?
I know. I might as well lie down.
Let's go, Jake Cameron.
Alright, we need more people. Come on.
I can't do it.
Jack!
Jack, don't be a fucking bitch.
Got it, we need it.
Come on. Wait, I want to take a picture? Yeah, of course. I got my phone too. How are we doing? Beer pong. Jack! Be a man! Jack, be a man! I'm taking a picture of you not being a man right now. Doesn't speak back. Naya, post this picture as Jack not being a man.
Yo, can I be on top?
Wait, where am I going?
And then Sony and I was This is
Wait, Sony, can you move over a second? Oh my god, I can't. Wait, they have to do with their hair. Alright,
you do on your head. Wow, you're like this.
I just stick that right on my side of.
ow, my spine!
Wait, hold on.
Knock your elbow! Jack, we need you! Jack!
Why on your camera? Why on your camera? Hurry! Run!
It was Nkwa! Let it be known it was Nkwa!
I got it! Wait, take my chest on fire. I'm trying to get on it.
Oh, Chris!
I carried something on my chest.
Yo,